Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're exploring Dubai International Airport, the world's busiest airport for international travel. Known for its state-of-the-art facilities, luxurious amenities, and unparalleled efficiency, Dubai International Airport is a marvel of modern aviation. Let's dive in and discover what makes this airport so exceptional. World-class facilities and services. Dubai International Airport is renowned for its world-class facilities and services. From luxurious lounges and fine dining options to high-end shopping and cutting-edge technology, DXB offers an unparalleled travel experience. Terminal 3, a jewel in the crown. One of the highlights of Dubai International Airport is Terminal 3, the world's largest airport terminal. Exclusively dedicated to Emirates Airlines, Terminal 3 offers a seamless and luxurious travel experience. Advanced technology and innovation. DXB is at the forefront of aviation technology and innovation. The airport utilizes advanced systems for baggage handling, security, and passenger processing, sustainability and environmental initiatives. Dubai International Airport is committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Connectivity and global reach. With over 90 million passengers passing through annually, Dubai International Airport is a major global hub. It offers direct flights to more than 240 destinations across 6 continents, connecting people and cultures from around the world. Dubai International Airport is more than just a gateway to the world, it's a symbol of modernity, luxury, and innovation. As the world's busiest airport for international travel, DXB sets the standard for excellence in aviation. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights from Fixing Expert. Until next time, safe travels and happy flying.